The inspiration for this project is the celebration of the string trio. It's exciting for us as musicians to have discovered the string trio medium because there's so many wonderful pieces out there that have never been played and are world premieres.
It's an ensemble that doesn't have a lot of repertoire compared to the string quartet or the piano trio, and it's something that we always try to make bigger. We were able to find great French music that no one else had recorded before.
This particular project has been a real labour of love for all three of us and is very meaningful. One of the funnest things to do is to rediscover composers and their pieces and bring their music back to life.